Hey guys, our read aloud today was The Very Hungry Caterpillar by Eric Carle. So now we're just going to look at the sequence of the story, and sequence means the order in which things happen. Alright, so first we had a little bitty egg on a leaf, and out popped a caterpillar. Move this, and it said that on Monday, the caterpillar ate one apple. On Tuesday, caterpillar ate 2 pears. On Wednesday, the caterpillar ate 3 plums. On Thursday, oh, he's getting big and fat. On Thursday, the caterpillar ate through 4 strawberries. Woo. On Friday, he ate through 5 oranges. That's a lot of food. Oh my goodness. On Saturday, he ate through a piece of chocolate pie, an ice cream cone, a pickle, cheese, salami, a lollipop, cherry pie, a sausage, a cupcake, and watermelon. Now he's really big and fat. Oh, and he had a tummy ache. And so on Sunday, he ate through 1 little leaf, and then he was really, really fat. Really fat. And then after that, he made a cocoon around himself, and then he became a big butterfly. Oh my goodness, it's such a sweet story. So first he ate apples, and then he ate through different types of fruit, and then by Saturday he ate through some crazy stuff like pickles and ice cream and cupcakes, and then he was really, really, really fat, and then he made a cocoon around himself, and then he turned into a beautiful butterfly.